Hello, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's another problem that we are going to solve today. First equation, we have x squared minus y equals 73. Second equation, y squared minus x equals 73. X squared plus y squared equals what? Where x is not equal to y. So here's the solution. This first equation and second equation, we are going to subtract it. Okay? We are going to subtract. And that is x squared minus y squared minus x equals 73 minus 73. Next, x squared minus y, and then this negative sign, we are going to multiply it to the inside. And that is negative y squared. Negative times negative x, that is plus x, equals 73 minus 73, that is equal to 0. Next is, we are going to arrange this. And that is x squared minus y squared plus x minus y equals 0. And then for this, we can say that x squared minus y squared is same as x plus y times x minus y. And then here, we are going to write it like plus 1 times x minus y, for it to be the same with this, equals 0. Now, we are going to identify the common here. So the common here is x minus y, because there is x minus y here and also here. So we write x minus y. Now, x plus y times x minus y divided by x minus y will be cancelled, and we have x plus y. And then here, 1 times x minus y divided by x minus y will be cancelled, and we have plus 1 equals 0. Next is, for this, x minus y is equal to 0 for our first equation. And then take note that from the start, it says x is not equal to y. Therefore, we are going to put not equal here. And the second equation, we have x plus y plus 1 equals 0. Or that is x plus y equals 1. We are going to transfer it to the other side, and that is negative 1. So we have the value for x plus y, and that is negative 1. And then another, after we subtract the first and second equation, now we are going to add the two equations. So that is x squared minus y plus y squared minus x equals 73 plus 73. And then we are going to arrange this and then add the 73 plus 73. So that is x squared plus y squared minus x minus y equals 73 plus 73, that is equal to 146. We can express it as x squared plus y squared minus x plus y equals 146. And now, since we already have the value of x plus y, which is negative 1, then we are going to substitute this here. So that is x squared plus y squared minus negative 1 equals 146. So we have x squared plus y squared, negative times negative 1, that is plus 1, equals 146. And then we are going to take plus 1 to the other side, and that is x squared plus y squared equals 146 minus 1. And that is x squared plus y squared equals 146 minus 1. That is equal to 145. So this is our final answer. The value for x squared plus y squared is equal to 145. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Fun with Maths.